Hey guys, it's Josh and Jim Brown here. We are here going to do a burp contest between the Battle of the Sexes here. I will tell you, last time we did one, he kicked my ass, so I'm not even going to lie about it. So we have 4 beers here. They're all unopened. Got some Yinglings here. We're enjoying our beautiful Tennessee weather tonight, so we have a bonfire going in our fire pit, and we are, as you can hear the birds chirping, thought we would do some videos outside in our yard, and we're going to have at it now. You want to go first, or you want me to go first?
I'll go first, that's fine.
Okay. Alright, so Josh is going to go first. We're going to pour our unopened beer, and we would love for you guys to challenge us to see what you guys have, both males and females. You know, there's nothing wrong with belches. Women, come on, seriously, we all belch, we all make noises.
And don't let Jen's prior modesty throw you off. She can throw down a burp.
I have my moments.
Oh, yeah.
You know, don't be shy here. We're here to have fun. You can check us out on our blog, joshnjenbrown.com, JOSHNJEN Brown.com. Follow us on Facebook, Josh and Jennifer Brown. Twitter at The Browns Blog at DABROWNS BLOGIT, and subscribe to our channel.
And send us your videos.
Yeah, send us your videos. Oh my gosh.
Let's hear you burp.
Yeah. Put us to shame. Challenge us. Come on.
Yeah.
All right, babe. We have other fun beer segments where we are taste testing beers, letting you know what we think. We'd love to hear what you guys think. We are also doing chugging challenges. Join in on us with those. Send us your videos. Share with us. That's what we're here for. To have fun, be goofy, and all that good jazz. Is it festering?
It's got to stew for a minute.
Yeah, sometimes it does. We're also going to attempt to do some different types of beers and other beverages to see what kind of burps get the best. One time I was on a radio station here locally, Star 102.1, and did a burp contest. You can tap me or something when you're ready. And
I'll just go.
It was kind of unfair because I won, but they let the other person do a second challenge or second burp, which really wasn't fair. Or I'd have won it. So
I can't say that.
My kids thought that was kind of weak.
It was deep, but not
loud. It was. Oh, he did one a couple days ago. Oh my God, it was loud. So loud.
My goal is to make everyone in the neighborhood look towards our house.
They look towards our house anyway.
Yeah.
Our neighbors fear us.
But to look towards the house and be like, what the hell are they doing now?
Yeah.
What was that noise? Weirdos.
And then, you know, a lot of times they're probably like, there's no telling. We have fun. That's what's most important. So hopefully I can out-burp him right now, ladies. You know, if you're a married couple, let's hear your burps. Let's hear you guys challenge each other. Let's do a gender war. Come on, ladies, help me out here. All right. Here we go.
And you guys got to kind of know, it's pretty hot when your wife throws down.
Sorry, guys. That made me laugh. I just chugged 2 beers, so I don't know what the deal is at the moment. Because we just did our beer chugging.
She did it again.
He says I do a demonic burp.
No, it's true. There's like a very deep low end, but then there's this like high harmonic
I think I
tone
won that one though.
That comes. I think yours was louder. I think mine was a little bit deeper. I think yours was louder, and I think it was you had your demon two-tone going on. If I had to judge it on both volume and character, though, I would give that one to you. Oi.
And we all know we all burps. Come on. But if you're a couple of any kind, please share with us what you guys can do, because that is fun when you can do the wars. Because, you know, got to represent. You know, even if you're not a couple, don't be shy. Send us your videos. Share with us. Subscribe to our channel, and trust me, you will find all kinds of goofy shit. Trust me. We are full of them. We just did two beers where we did a chugging contest. So we invite you guys to watch those. Join in on those. Josh won one. I won one. We did 2 each. So he beat me on one. I beat him on one. So
our best times were pretty close. I think.
Yeah, I mean,
mine was 11.11, and yours was 11.14.
Yeah.
So 0.03 of a second is pretty well indistinguishable.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you guys want to get on there, you got a burp or a chug that's even faster than that. So we'd like to see what you can do.
Yeah, Josh saw that on YouTube. He Googled Googled it or something on YouTube.
I ended up, you can YouTube, and then you can kind of go down the rabbit hole, and you can follow one video to the next, and there was this woman who was chugging, and she chugged in like 18 seconds, and that seemed, watching her do it seemed, sort of like an okay chug or whatever, but I thought, I've seen my wife slam back a beer, and I know she can do it faster than that.
I've never done one that long, 18 seconds, ever.
No, and since we've timed them, I think the best that you've ever done is still sub 9 seconds.
Yeah, it was pretty much. Now, there are some people who can chug in like 4, 5, 6
it's
seconds.
Like 3 swallows.
Ridiculous. I don't know how you do that, so I'm going to try to learn how to do that, because it is insane. I mean,
you could probably Google how to chug a beer faster.
I'm sure it involves opening your throat. Which I can do, but...
You can dress you up, but you can't take you out. Alright, so I got to go for volume this time.
This is what you can expect from us at all times, just so you know. I am a bit of a pervert. So, if you can't handle that stuff, then you probably don't want to watch us. Or cursing, probably not going to want to watch us either, because we both curse. But this is supposed to be fun. Send us your videos. Huh?
You know what always takes me a minute.
So that's why I started talking again. So, send us your videos, comment, subscribe to our channel. Here, after this one, we're going to eat dinner real quick. Josh is going to grill out for us. And then we have some Samuel Adams that we are going to give you guys what we think of them. We're going to review them. It'll be broken up because there are 6 different kinds in this particular pack. And so we're going to do them. Oh my God, I thought you were going to vomit. Like, that was good. I don't know if I can top that. I'm not even going to lie.
I might have. It got real gurgly.
Yeah, I thought you were going to vomit.
But
remember, you're supposed to do that way if you vomit.
I was going for, like I said, I was going for volume, so I was pushing that one.
Well, you did. That was impressive. Okay, so.
It was. Luckily, nothing gross came up because it was wet. I'll say that.
It'd be a corn dog from Rivals. That's what we had for lunch. We went yard selling today. And that's what we stopped and got for lunch. We had corn dogs and munchos. That would be horrible to vomit.
It was not the lunch of champions.
No, it was not. My bright idea was to take granola bars because I thought that would fill us up while we were out. And I was wrong.
What was the brand?
Of what?
The granola bars.
Oh, well, they're Kroger brand.
Kroger?
Yeah.
I
They are good. What?
They're good. They're tasty enough. I'm trying to decide. Is my thumb bigger than the granola bar?
It's pretty close. So that was a fail on the wife's part here. So I tried.
We were hungry.
In fairness, we did not eat breakfast before we went out. I've seen that car twice.
Well, is that in the Aspire?
Yes, it is.
So it's a pink Aspire, so you're going to know when you see
Yeah,
that
I've seen it twice within like 10 minutes. They must be driving in circles.
Well, if it goes back up the other way, it might not make the hill. Are you going to chug
Both times it was down. Trust me, this is fresher. I'm trying not to burp now. I cannot eat or drink without spilling.
You're gonna.
Oi.
That was a good triple though. I think I had you on volume.
Oh, maybe so, but that was good.
That was good.
That cracked me up.
And you had that weird tone again on that first one.
I'm just a demon. That's all there is to it.
Maybe it's like your stomach has a demon in it.
Maybe that's what the
so
issue is.
that when you burp, then you get that.
Maybe so.
Oi.
Real quick on the animal noises, the oinks and the rivets. When Josh and I got married, we went to the lake.
Oi.
We were in the cove. Sorry, I'm not going to apologize for burping. I'm not going to say excuse me. So if you're expecting that, forget it.
We're on a burping video.
We only apologize when we burp normal. We were at the lake in a cove, and may or may not have had some beverages with us, and he started doing an oink or rivet. Sorry guys, the smoke from the fire is coming this way.
I don't do as many oinks as I used to.
No, because they can burn. If you get that in just right, it honest to God will burn your nose.
It opens up like the pathway to your sinuses.
But
Ribbit.
ever since then, we've been burping animal noises every time, oinks and rivets. So, but anyway, that's it. Check us out. Subscribe to our channel for more fun. Send us your videos. Challenge us. Let us know who won your battle of the sexes, or if you're in a relationship at all. Let us know who won. Who cares? Let us know.
Mm-hmm.